One AI niche is going absolutely viral right now. This faceless YouTube channel posted their very first video just 7 months ago, and it completely blew up. Today, they've pulled in almost 45 million views and gained more than 200,000 subscribers. In the last 30 days alone, they made between $39,000 and $118,000 from YouTube alone, which is mind-blowing. One of their top-performing videos, uploaded just a month ago, has already passed 20 million views and still gains almost 20,000 views per hour, which is ridiculous. The crazy part? Almost every video they upload goes viral within days. And get this, they're not showing their face, they're not recording anything, and they're not hiring a film crew. All they're doing is posting AI-generated movies and earning thousands of dollars every single month. And it's not just them. There are several other channels doing this too. Here's another one that started just a year ago, already cashing in between $1,000 and $4,000. It has generated over 44,000 subscribers with only 36 videos. Right here, we see that there is potential in this niche. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these types of videos with AI, step by step. I'll also introduce you to an all-in-one AI tool that lets you create this style of video from scratch, from writing the story to generating scenes, adding a voiceover, and editing, all in just a few minutes. And if you want to dive deeper into AI tools and workflows, make sure to join my Telegram channel. Link is in the description. Let's dive in. We are going to use 2 different tools to actually bring this movie to life. First, we'll use Google Gemini to get different ideas. Then we'll use Katalist AI to create the complete script, images, videos, and turn everything into a polished AI film. Let's first head over to Gemini. In the prompt box, I'll type a simple prompt. Please provide me with video ideas to generate an action-style AI movie. I want the main character to be an animal. The concept of the movie should be simple, but packed with action. In just seconds, you'll get a list of creative story ideas, which means you can speed up the brainstorming process and work way more efficiently. Once we have our ideas ready, it's time to move over to Katalist AI. As always, I've left the link down in the description. Just sign up with your Google account. Once you're in, this is where the magic begins. Katalist AI lets you create all kinds of videos, from sci-fi trailers, anime films, and kids' stories, to music videos and cinematic shorts. First, we need to create a new project. Here we can choose Generate from Idea or Script, or start a complete blank project and build everything manually. I'll select Generate from Script. As you can see, Katalist can actually write the script for you based on your idea. So, we'll go ahead and copy one of the ideas we got from Google Gemini and paste it into Katalist AI. From here, we can choose how many scenes we want to generate. You can create up to 50 scenes, but for this example, I'll go with 15, and then click Generate Script. In just a few seconds, Katalist AI will generate you a detailed breakdown of our story. We can edit or tweak anything by clicking the pen icon. Once done, click OK. Then, choose your aspect ratio, depending on where you'll post the video. Widescreen for YouTube, vertical for Shorts or TikTok. Since we are creating a long-form video to post on YouTube, we'll choose 16:9. Now, select your visual style. Katalist AI gives you plenty of options, but I personally go with cinematic style. It gives everything that movie trailer look. Click Create Project. After that, you'll see all of your main characters for the movie. You can adjust their appearance, swap out their images entirely, or even upload your own custom characters if you want. Once everything looks the way you want, just click Create Project again, and within seconds, Katalist AI will generate a storyboard for you, complete with images for every single scene. Honestly, the visuals are stunning. One of my favorite things about this tool is how flexible it is. You can edit each scene using the built-in Smart AI assistant. Let's say you want to add something to an image or slightly change it. Just click on the image, describe your change. I will type something like, add a big tank in the background, and click Generate. And boom, it's done. You can even upload your own images if you want to customize things further. This kind of control is a dream for creators. You're not just limited to templates, you're building something that actually looks unique. Next up, we'll turn those static images into motion. First click on Create Video and then click Generate Videos. You'll now be asked to choose a video model. Katalist supports creating long-form videos using many of the newest generation models, including Sora 2, Google Veo 3, Runway Gen 4 Turbo, Kling Pro, and more. Basically, the best models on the market, all in one place. If you want smooth cinematic animation, I recommend choosing Sora 2 or my personal favorite, Google Veo 3. For this example, I'm going to select Veo 3. Once everything is set, just click Generate Video, and Katalist AI will begin transforming your storyboard into a full-motion video. This feature saves tons of time. Other tools make you render one clip at a time, but Katalist handles everything simultaneously. Once it's done, check out the results. Buttery smooth animation, no weird glitches, everything flows perfectly. The final step is adding the voiceover and the background music. Here, you can either generate a voice directly from text or upload your own audio if you've already recorded something. For this demo, I won't add any voiceover or music. I want to keep that clean, cinematic style with only the natural sound effects. And just like that, you've got a full AI-generated movie. Visuals, animation, packed with action, all done in one place, without jumping between 5 different tools. When you're happy with the result, click Export. Katalist AI lets you choose from different export options, depending on where you want to publish. Click Download, and your movie is ready to upload. Now let's see what we've generated.
What was that? Get down!
This is the method I use to generate the main part of the film. But here's something I personally love doing with this niche. I always create a short trailer before the actual film to hook the viewers in. For this example, we'll use the same project we used to generate the main film. First, we'll make a copy of the project. This lets us keep all the characters and visual consistency exactly the same. Now in this duplicate project, I'll remove all the scenes where nothing important is happening and keep only the high-impact moments that I want in the trailer. Once I have around 6 to 7 strong scenes selected, it's time to add the key element, music. When it comes to these epic cinematic moments, the soundtrack makes up more than 50% of the final impact. Choosing the right song that matches the tone and atmosphere can massively boost your video's viral potential. For this, I'm using Epidemic Sound, which offers a huge library of licensed music and sound effects. And I can't stress this enough. Always use licensed audio for your videos. You don't want your hard work taken down over a copyright claim. For this example, I went with a few epic orchestral tracks, tested multiple versions, and picked the one that fit the mood perfectly. After syncing everything together, here's what I managed to create. So that's how these faceless AI movie channels are blowing up right now. And now you know exactly how to create one yourself. If you've ever wanted to start your own YouTube channel without showing your face, this is your moment. The tools are here. The opportunity is real. And those who take action first always win. Katalist AI offers a 7 days trial on all plans, so you can try it for free and decide if it meets your standards. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and comment below what niche you want me to cover next. Always remember, the future is in your hands. You are generating it.